We clearly can see that the inflationary trend have started to pick up over the last couple of months, and we expected that will happen. We also can see that wage growth is coming back, and that should also bode very well for the economy. Now, we do think that the Fed still has time in terms of the next interest rate hikes or base cases for June, but clearly the Fed will watch the data that are coming, particularly February job numbers, which are coming next week, very, very closely. And they would have room and possibility to even look into a March rate hike. So the March meeting is definitely a live meeting and has to be watched very carefully.
And we're also watching for specifics of Trump's fiscal policies and tax reform, and that could lead to a bigger reflation trade. You say if that happens, Asia could actually benefit quite significantly when you look at EPS growth. Can you flesh that out for us?
Well, if you go back the last 12 months, we actually have already seen the start of the reflationary trade. PPI in China has actually picked up quite significantly from being very negative to actually quite strongly positive. And it's a global trend. We actually see that inflation is coming back. Profit margins for corporates are improving. Earnings are actually starting to pick up. Analysts start to upgrade their earnings forecast, in particular also for China, Asia, but it's a global trend. Now, if Mr. Trump is inducing more stimulus and actually adding to this reflationary trend, we actually do think that there's more upside, in particular also on the earnings side, and that can really push up equity markets much, much higher.